Hey guys, welcome back to Darish Zone. Another video. I'm very proud of this. This is the new version of the Retro Machine, the series. You already got the, or maybe some of you got the 512 GB version of the Retro Machine, and I am proud to present you the Retro Machine Basic Edition 60 GB. This will be the new start of a new generation of Retro Machine image, starting from the 60 GB version, which is the base. You can use also to customize your builds with a very tiny size, a tiny image that you can install where you want substantially. You can install on a 60 GB SD card, you can install on a 32 GB 64 128 and so on SD card, or you can also install this on external hard disk, because when you boot this image the first time, it will check if an USB external hard disk storage is detected. Otherwise it will start from the SD card, so you can decide to burn this on an external disk directly or an SD card. You have to choose your best solution to enjoy this image, and this is basically the same as Retro Machine Ultimate. It is one of the 30 custom themes that are all installed. You see the same theme installed into the Retro Machine 512 GB. It's faster for a simple reason. It's a little, it's tiny image. You see, let's open the, I forgot to open the tabs, favorites, all games. You see only 54 overall games, because this, I repeat, this image is a base, and I've decided to compress everything to a 60 GB size image to benefit for this little size. For sharing, it's way better, and I will also use this for my build. Every future Retro Machine build will be based on this base, but there's something else under the hood, because this is a standalone image with some stuff included. It's just not only a base, which basically you cannot use. You can use this. You can use this base. It's similar to one of my old work that I released, was called the RetroPie Turbo Edition. It's similar, not the same, because this includes all the assets that I made for the Retro Machine Ultimate. The same assets are all included, the same features are all included. Listen for the exclusive music made for this image. The soundtrack is the same. It's the features are the same of Retro Machine Ultimate. This is important to say. So there's a desktop mode, and the Kodi multimedia, so it's a multimedia image, it's a desktop. You can use this image like a computer. Okay, there's some ports like Cannonball, Cave Story, Doom, not Brutal Doom, Hurricane. Hurricane is a great fan game. The Street of Rage remake, and the Super Mario 64. It's a nice port of the Nintendo 64 game, but I will never show this on my videos because I don't show Nintendo games. The Street of Rage is great, and on this little showcase I will show the game that you can play with this little image, or you can add what you want basically, and you have all the same feature of the Retro Machine Ultimate. So there's the bezel manager where you can switch between scanline bezel or system related bezel, and remember by default they're included the scanline bezel, like that one I will show on ports Cave Story. Okay, you see the scanline bezel with which is the new version, darker version without the shadows, just so it's super updated. This is by default. For some of you that tried my image and saw the default bezel have scanline, the scanline are included into the bezel. Remember that if you want to disable, you must go there, bezel manager, and then you can change to system related overlays or turn off completely if you prefer. It's up to you. Also there the other feature you already know. Let's check together again. The Magic Cleaner. It's a fantastic tool to delete configuration, overrides, ghost files. It's great. You can reset video modes, and this is exclusive of the Retro Machine new series. The music player, already showed the music player. You can change pretty everything. You can change the pop-ups of the tune titles. You have plenty of option to use and change as you prefer. And the open board manager, where you can set your controller to the game and without the need to configure your controller for each game. In that case, it's already configured for the DualShock. Let's see together a game. Okay, let's continue with the features. The save state manager is for delete the save state which are saved into the image. The speed modes, it's the overclock. You can change between 4 different overclock speed: Turbo, Ultra, Extreme and Omega. The Super Ultra ES, it's a bonus overclock mode which you can use together with the speed modes. It's needed to turn emulation station more fluid. Let's see together there, for example, with the theme all you like, the cyberpunk theme. It's included there, of course. Neon purple. Okay, there's some tabs only because this is a little image. See how it's fluid. Thanks to Super Ultra ES, there's two types of overclock. You can choose between the Super ES and the Ultra ES, or disable both of them. There you can randomize your team if you want to boot every time you will boot with a different team between the team available, and don't forget this also have the fantastic splash screen intro by Franco Franchi, which are ice on the cake. You already saw one of them. Okay, those videos are high quality, full HD. And every time we will boot a different intro. Okay, that's it. All the Franco Franchi magic still there. The video output is to change the resolution between HD ready and full HD. In that case, I'm recording this stream at 7020p, so HD ready. So let's check one open board game. The game is included in this release. You see the game is already full screen, widescreen. And it's already configured for the DualShock. This is a great open board game. It's impressive. The open board now runs at 60 frames per second. It was not like that before. This is a special version that I included for the Retro Machine series, not the open board you can download from RetroPie. This is a very reworked version of open board, way better. Okay. Okay, it's not over. Let's check together. You already saw that's Cannonball. It's a nice hack of Outrun. I think I never showed this on my videos. It's very fun. Okay, I have to. Get ready. It's a little messy with the controls. You see? Ah, okay. Get ready. Okay. You can change your point of view. That's the widescreen support. But the funny thing is, this hack is based on the original Outrun ROM. Okay, it's fun, and let's try Street of Rage remake. Doesn't need any introduction. It's a masterpiece. You recognize the music? Fantastic rework of the Timelapse Classic for the Mega Drive. Okay, just a fast. And let's see, Hurricane, great fun game. Very inspired from Tarican. They changed the T with the each. Great music, great graphics. You can also change the language. Okay, this is the only current Pi4 image that have this game. It's an L2 to run under Pi, but not for DZ. It's great. Oops. Okay, this is Hurricane. So this is don't forget there's the mystery random mode. It's also included. If you press select when you are in the main menu, you will start the video screensaver made by Franco Franchi, and if you press start during this video, you will start a random game. Okay. So guys, this showcase it's over. This is, I repeat, the Retro Machine new version, basic edition, 60 GB. You can use this as base, but it also is a standalone image. It brings all the feature of the Retro Machine Ultimate. All is included there, minus the games, but some game it's included. You see, all the games are free license, so you can just play and use without any hassle, because there's no copyright linked to them. So you can play even if you don't have your backup, and you can download this tiny Marvel image right now from the DZ server if you are a VIP member, or you can acquire it with DZ points. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to channel and enable the notification bell, and we will see on the next one. Bye bye.